This is Gerald Vaughn here with Timberline Inspections, performing a sewer scope at 15887 Southwest Baler Way in Sherwood, Oregon. We are just over 59 feet out of the line, coming from the 3-inch ABS cleanout located in the front porch. Looking into the city sewer main right now. We're going to go and start pulling the line back here. So right now we're in a PVC piping material. This is typically the section of the line that's located under the streets and sidewalks. Right here, this is still a PVC pipe material here, just a different grade of it. And right here you can see we're transitioning at about 34 feet to ABS piping material. So you have approximately 34 feet of ABS, and then the remainder being PVC. The lines look very clean. Coming up out of the clean out here. Clean out right here again, located in the embedded into the front porch. Front doors right over here. Streets right out back behind us here. Slope appears good throughout the line. All joints appear to be well aligned. No signs of any kind of breakage, separation, blockages, or root intrusions. So no repairs recommended at the time of inspection.